Hello, hmli partners. Today, we're diving into the art of using coaching questions to empower your team. It's all about the finesse of asking questions that unlock potential and stimulate growth. Imagine transforming your conversations from mundane to meaningful just by tweaking the way you ask questions. Now, let's talk about what makes a good coaching question. It's not just about what you ask, but how you ask it. For instance, open-ended questions invite discussion and thought, far beyond a simple yes or no. Imagine asking your team member, "What new skills are you eager to explore this quarter?" This not only opens up the floor for genuine reflection, but also encourages a mindset geared towards self-improvement and development. Lastly, having a few frameworks in your toolkit can be incredibly useful. Whether it's the GROW model, setting SMART goals, or using the ORID method, these frameworks guide your questions to be more structured and impactful. Imagine ending a coaching session not just with a sense of direction, but with actionable steps that lead to growth and improved performance. That's the power of effective coaching questions.